How to insert or embed YouTube video in Canva mobile. Today, I'm going to show you how to insert or embed a YouTube video into your Canva design using the mobile. Whether you're creating a social media post or a presentation, this feature will take your designs to the next level, so let's dive right in. Canva Mobile is packed with awesome features, and one of them is the ability to embed YouTube videos into your design. Let's get started and see how you can add YouTube videos to your Canva projects on your phone. Now, first things first, what you need to do is open your Canva app, or you can go to the browser and simply search for canva.com. Now, simply select one design. You can simply select an existing one from your projects or pick a template that suits what you're working on. Now, tap on the plus button at the bottom left corner of your screen, or simply scroll and select the more options or the apps option. Now here, what you need to do is a search bar will appear. Simply search for YouTube app. Tap on it. Now here, simply tap on YouTube. Click on open. Now here a search bar will appear. What you need to do is simply search for the YouTube video app that you want, or you can also paste the URL. Now let's say I will choose this video. Simply click on add to design. Now here, as you can see, the video has been placed over here. You can simply preview it. You can resize the video by dragging the corners. You can also move it around to fit perfectly in your new design. So after your design is all set with the embedded YouTube video, let's talk about how you can share or save it. Now when you're happy with your design, simply tap on the arrow button at the top here. And here, as you can see, share link, download, invite, email. You can simply tap on the share button and you can share your design directly on social media, or simply download it as an MP4 video file as well. And there you have it. You now know how to insert or embed a YouTube video into your Canva design.